Hi guys, I'm Mark and this is Gail, and we're traveling Marlins, and we'll just tell you a little bit about ourselves so you know kind of who we are and what we're doing. We've been traveling since '94, and in that time frame we've had 2 Airstreams, 1 fifth wheel, and now we have this 99 bus, Prevost. It's a marathon bus, Prevost bus, and we've had it almost going on 10 years and really enjoy it.
Yep. And history about our careers. I had the career of education. I started out as a teacher's aide and then a teacher, and then I kind of moved a little bit of a different direction and got my degree in technology, and I retired as a technology director.
And I'm a retired pilot. I work mainly for families, a couple of companies, but mainly for families, traveling all over the place. So it kind of fits in with what we're doing now.
Yeah. We have this channel to share our experiences and our knowledge. We're learning all the time still though, and meeting lots of neat people. What?
I think that's for me to talk again. And
our dog Diesel is kind of going that way, so we have to watch him.
Yeah, we meet a lot of people on the road that we now have become good friends with, and we keep bumping into them across the country, and that's been great. And so if you think it's lonely out here, it's really not.
No, not a bit. Never get bored, always busy, and we thoroughly enjoy it. So we want to invite you to join our community, to come along with us, visit with us in the comments area. We'll get to know you, and you get to know us a little bit. So thanks for watching, and we hope you continue to.
We'll catch you on the road somewhere.
Best day ever. Right?
Right.
Right.
Bye.